Hey, look, it's Flo's favorite ingredient.
I love butter. That's my estimation of 3 tablespoons of butter.
You just eyeballed it?
Well, I know what 4 tablespoons looks like, so that's about 3 tablespoons.
Just send it, girl.
We're going to be making Dutch babies today. They are a pancake that you put in the oven, and they actually look really cool. So I thought we would do this very quick recipe for all of you who are stuck on a Mother's Day breakfast, maybe to make, and you need something kind of fast with ingredients you already have at home. This might do the trick. What do you think?
Sounds good to me, but I want to know why the name Dutch Baby.
I have no idea. All right, 3 tablespoons of butter in a pie plate, or you can use a cast iron pan. I found that I liked the pie plate better because it didn't brown the Dutch baby as much. You can use any round dish that is oven proof to do this. All right, so now I'm gonna stick this in the oven. The butter's going to melt, the pie plate's gonna get hot, and then I'm gonna pour my batter in. It's gonna be super fast.
Yes.
Okay, oven's been preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm just gonna stick this in the oven right now.
See ya.
Bye-bye. While that's in the oven, I'm just going to make my batter. I've already measured out 1/2 cup of flour, and I'm just using this liquid measuring cup because it has a spout to pour. I didn't use it to measure the flour. Remember to measure your dry ingredients with dry measures and your wet ingredient with liquid measuring cups. Wet measuring. All right, 1/2 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of milk, and I'm gonna break 2 eggs into the milk. I'm just going to quickly break up the eggs a little bit. I'm going to add it to the flour. Okay, before I go any further, I have 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Oops. I'm using 2.
Oh well.
That's fine. It'll be fine.
Yeah, but you know we have. Like,
but you know what? Vanilla is like super expensive.
Yeah.
So just whisk this until it's not so lumpy. It doesn't have to be super smooth. And that's it. Now we're waiting for the butter to melt, and then we're gonna pour it in there and put it in the oven. That's it. Super fast, super easy.
I don't believe you.
What do you mean, don't believe me? Didn't you just see it happen? It was only in there for about 3 minutes, for about the same amount of time that it took to make the batter. You're gonna swirl it around so that the butter goes up the edge of your pie plate. And then you're going to pour the batter in. You're right. You're right.
I was right.
I didn't see it.
I told you I saw it, but okay, people, I saw
Don't
flour.
listen.
I saw flour.
Okay, I missed a bit of flour.
It'll
be fine.
She just tore a strip off me.
All right, now it's going back in the oven, and I'll come back with more instructions in a second. Sorry, I had to move fast, so I wanted to put it in the oven and then give you instruction, which is to cook it for 20 minutes at 450, and then we're gonna turn the heat down to 350 and leave it in there for another 8 to 10 minutes. Got it? Doesn't that look so cool? All right. That looks pretty yummy, right?
It does.
Okay. And just want to pretty it up with some fruit. I have some mango. Here's some strawberries. And just sprinkle some powdered sugar, especially over the brown parts of the pancake. That will make it look really pretty. You can serve it with some maple syrup and whipped cream if you like. And it's just a prettier pancake than the normal everyday pancake. And it's time for
The taste.
You're a clown.
I am not a
You
clown.
are.
I am a cameraman by vocation. So I get to have dessert before dinner. So you want to see the backside of this thing? The underside? The backside. The underside. It's all nice and brown and crispy. And not really pretty bite, but you know. I'm a big fan of the eggy brunch dessert items. So this is like right up my alley. Love it. So good. Awesome. And what our son actually does is that he deconstructs the food. So he takes up all the sides and he just leaves the bottom of the crust for last. Weirdo. Man, this is so good. Like really, this is like, make it for your mom. It's good.
Or wife.
Who's a mom?
Or just wife without even being a mom.
Yeah. Make it for your wife. She'll love it. Thanks.
Thanks. So please try this really yummy pancake called Dutch Baby. I will have the recipe in the description below. It's not mine, so there's a link to the recipe there. And when I make this for my family of 4, when it's just the 2 of us plus the kids, we have to make 2 of them, and that's our breakfast. I want to wish all you moms out there a very special Mother's Day. And if you liked this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and come follow me on Instagram. Till next time, be simple, ordinary, and joyful.